Tons of rock, so we're just going to do a big rock and roll speed flip, including Gamma 2 hard rock from 1980 with a really cool cover, and Gamma 3, and I know we got Gamma 1 in the bins. Frampton's Camel from 73, Lord Such and Heavy Friends, including Jimmy Page, John Bonham, Jeff Beck, etc., etc. Pretty cool British stuff from 1970. Rolling Stones doing disco there. Chicago Transit Authority, which is a great record, of course. Real nice copy of this Fleetwood Mac Live. Looks almost brand new. It's from 1980. Santana. This is actually literally mint. That's really excellent. Alice Cooper, the band, not the person. Pretty good psych rock from 1970. It's actually a really interesting record. And this is interesting. It's acoustic Dixieland, kind of. It's a white label promo. So, UK, and this came out in 79. Prog rock supergroup, and I know, of course, I believe they broke up right after this record came out. John Entwistle, Joe South, those are all kind of uncommon. Vintage Dead, beautiful copy of this, practically mint. A whole bunch of interesting Hendrix here too. There he is with Otis Redding. Some rockabilly as well, and Berlin from 84, synth pop 12-inch. First Sabbath, and a whole bunch of Beatles. You don't see this one too often. This is a 2LP. Yeah, you can't peel that one off, but we do have some other interesting ones, including this. This one has, at the end of A Day in the Life, the sound effects were taken out of this version, which is kind of weird. And some more Woodstock, so come on out.